A lot more rain is on the way. The winds are picking up, and of course, there's still tons of snowfall coming down in the Sierra. So this is a multi-tier event, and that is why today is indeed a First Alert Action Day. So let's kick things off. This is what you're going to have to deal with today. And I can only put so many headlines, but as you listen to the forecast, you'll get the sum of it all. First Alert Action Day through the day today. Rising rivers and streams will be something we'll be dealing with immediately, as well as through the week and possibly into next week. Street flooding will also be something we're watching for flood-prone areas. Damaging wind gusts. We got a wind advisory and a high wind warning, rather, and those winds are extremely strong. First Alert Doppler radar. We'll get to the rain portion of the storm, then we'll talk about the wind, and we'll also carry over into the snowfall. This is the rain that is coming in right now. Now, we do have snow showers, but they're coming in above 6,500 feet in elevation. Once you kind of dip down a bit, you can see a little clearing coming in through Stockton and Modesto. Don't let that clearing fool you. We are not out of the woods. Take a look at your futurecast. This is the low pressure system right here on the coastline. It has a cold front as well as a warm front along with it. And that is what's keeping the chance of showers in the forecast. Couple different frontal boundaries rotating through, and that's why the showers, especially in parts of the foothills, will continue to be in the forecast through this afternoon, into this evening, as well as into tonight. And then everything starts to come to a close in the overnight as we move into early tomorrow morning. Take a look at the excessive rain outlook, and unfortunately it continues to highlight parts of the foothills, which means we'll be looking at the chance of some flooding possibly downstream. So what to expect? Here's a look at what we're forecasting for rain totals. 1 to 3 coming in for the valley, 2 to 6 coming in for the foothills, 3 to 7 for the mountains, and snow levels again above 6,500 feet, where we could see 1 to 3 feet of snowfall. For the flood watch that's in effect through Wednesday, essentially all areas below 4,000 feet in elevation could be looking at some type of flooding, some runoff moving into parts of our rivers and our streams. That high wind warning will be in effect through this evening. Damaging winds expected gusting from 50 to 60 miles per hour. That is Donner and areas down to the south as well as to the west. That's going to be the valley floor. That will be for the hills. Take a look at some of the wind speeds we've had. 33 in Sacramento, 35 in Placerville, 26 coming in for Stockton. I'm just naming a few. And then take a look at the wind gusts. Now the difference is sustained winds come in around 2 minutes and wind gusts coming in a burst around 20 seconds, right? 51 for Sacramento, 35 for Stockton, 47 for Placerville. These winds will still be extremely strong through the evening hours. Let's time it out. You can see just a few of them here. Winds coming in out of the south. That's that warmer air while we got pretty high snow levels. 41 for Sacramento around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. 43 coming in around 5 o'clock in the evening. And then finally those winds starting to back down. 7-day forecast. So today is indeed a First Alert Action Day. Drying out Wednesday and Thursday. But Dina, a few more showers are possible Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. That is a look at your weather.